Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice question. Okay, this actually follows the rule of BODMAS or PEMDAS, whatever you all work with. This actually follows that rule. Okay, but still people get stuck. So see, most of the students got stuck and they got two answers. Okay, one answer was 110 and the other answer was 14. So if you guys think the answer is 110, then you're absolutely correct. Your basics are perfectly fine. But if you think the answer is 14, then I request all of y'all, because please stick in this video, because that answer is not right. Okay, that is absolutely wrong. And why? Because it is actually messing with your logic of PEMDAS and BODMAS. So today I'm going to explain you why 14 is not the right answer for this particular question. Okay, so now please understand what happens in BODMAS or PEMDAS. Okay, first we will work with the parentheses. We will start with the parentheses. Okay, so you will keep your 2 as it is, and then you will not add 5 plus 20. What you will do, you will keep your 5 as it is, and you will keep the plus sign as it is. Okay, then the next thing what you should be doing is you divide 20 by 2 and then you multiply by 5. Okay, but now if you think that you're following PEMDAS, then in that case what you would have done is that 20 divide by 2 into 5. I'm writing this separately. So if you're following PEMDAS, what you would have done is you would have done multiplication first. Why? Because in PEMDAS multiplication comes first than division. So then in that case, what would have happened is 20 divided by 2 into 5 gets you 10. So final answer for this one would be 2. Okay. Now imagine if this is correct. Then there are people who are following BODMAS also. So according to BODMAS, what would have happened is that division comes first. Division comes first. So here in that case, what would have happened is 20 divided by 2 into 5. Okay, if we had that. So you would do 20 in divide by 2, that gets you 10 into 5. So here you would get the answer as 50. Now imagine that according to BODMAS, you're getting one answer, which is 50. And according to PEMDAS, you're getting one answer, which is 2. So now out of these two, which one is correct? Okay. Please remember, this is a very golden rule. Okay. Please remember, if it is BODMAS, okay, or even if it is PEMDAS, either ways. Okay. In both the cases, multiplication and division, okay, are same. They hold the same precedence. Similarly, addition and subtraction, they both are holding the same precedence. So now in that case, what you would be wondering is, acha, if they are holding the same precedence, then how do I decide what to do first? Like in BODMAS, my answer was coming out to be what? 50, and in PEMDAS, my answer is coming out to be 2. Then in that case, both of these answers has to be correct. Obviously not, right? In math, we do not deal with discrepancies, at least in such kind of sums, right? So then obviously something is going wrong, right? So remember, in both of these principles, you just have to remember a simple logic that is going from left to right. Okay, so if your question is what, 20 divide by 10 into 5. So first, because you're going from left to right, you will do 20 divided by 10, that is what, 2. Sorry, that was not the question, right? But okay, let's change it, and then you will do 20 divided by 10 is 2 into 5. Here you will get the answer as 10, right? And if the question was 20 into 10 divide by 5, then also you will go left to right. So in that case, what you will do, 20 into 10, that gets you 200, divide by 5, that gets you how much? 40. Okay, so please understand, here the precedence going from left to right only matters. Nothing else will ever hold any importance, okay, whenever you're having division and multiplication or multiplication and division. Okay, but if the question had something with division, multiplication plus addition and subtraction, then in that case, obviously division multiplication will be taken first into calculation. After that, the addition and subtraction will be taken into consideration. That also with the same precedence, okay, going from left to right. So I hope this is very, very clear to everyone. So now let's get back to our sum. So here, obviously, now we are going from what, left to right. So according to left to right, what we'll do is we'll do 20 divided by 2 first. That is going to get 10. 10 into 5, that gets you 50. So here I'll write 50 and close the bracket. Okay. So now next thing is what we will do. 2 into 5 plus 50, that gets you 55. So that answer what you get over here is nothing but what, 110. So now obviously we can say the answer for this one is just 110. So I hope you all have understood how to do these kind of calculations. Okay. So now for your DIY, I want you all to do 30 divided by 10 into 3 minus 6 plus 5. Please let me know your answers for this one in the comment section. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.